did it. We finished the month strong. Here we are in our room for the night. And this, look at our stuff, guys. This is insane. Like, look at all of this. Like, insane, plus all of this, and there's another carry-on back there. So all of this. And now we get to go through it all and figure out what we're taking and, you know, all that fun stuff. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Say hi, Mary.
Hi.
Emergency run to the pharmacy because I forgot my blood checker at home and we're over in another province and my thing is closed. So I have to go pay $90 now to get a blood checker. So yay, but thank God I noticed it now. $900. Okay, so this is the room. So you walk in, this is your door. And then you go into the bathroom, which this is kind of weird. You don't have a shower curtain. So I don't really know. Anyways, this is here. And then this is the bathroom and a hairdryer. toilet. Then you come out here, and this is a closet. So there's lots of room up there. There's an ironing board. And then we have hangers. We brought our own hangers as well. And then this closes over. And then you have all of this space too. We have all of these doors. You know what I mean? We have all of these with the safe, which is good. And then you come in here. This is all our luggage. So you come here, and then we have this whole little area here. So as I was saying, then you come here, and they have like a little coffee pot and all that stuff, but we won't use that. And then you have the TV. Don't mind, all our stuff is there. A little bench thing. We have a couch, which is nice. There's a chair here. We are all exhausted. I'll fill you guys in on all the details. I won't. There's a bed for Kelly, and then me and Mary get to share a king-size bed again. And there's a nice big mirror there. The air conditioner is going. The air conditioner is really nice. We have a nice view of the pool, so you can kind of look there. It's a really cloudy, kind of crappy day today, so hopefully tomorrow is nicer. But yeah, so that is the room. And they give you like a nice little table and everything there. And then there's like blackout drapes and all that stuff. So, but yeah, this is our room. Okay, so I'm back at the room. I just wanted to show you guys kind of how we have everything set up now that we've kind of cleaned everything up. We are so freaking exhausted. I will talk to you guys in a minute. But anyway, so this is our couch area. That's some of Kelly's stuff is kind of over there. And then this is Kelly's bed here. And then this is me and Mary's side. I have my fan set up, my iPad, all that stuff. And then Mary has her iPad set up, and there's a nice mirror there. And then this is really cool that we did. So we saw this on someone's thing, and because the bathroom is pretty tiny, and there's 3 of us, so like these top 2 rows are mine. So my makeup, my face wash, my deodorant, perfume, some Tide stuff, my toothbrush, razors, and then it goes down. So I'll kind of show you guys, like, look. And this hangs on the door, so we don't have. So then, so that's the room. So then we have, this is like our area here. So we have like our safe, and then we have our shoes on the bottom, and then we have like, each person has their own shelf. And then when we move this over, this is our dresses and stuff like that. So like, this section is basically Mary's. This section is mine. And then that section is Kelly's, and like our bathing suits are all hanging, and then everything. And then we also get these hampers from the dollar store. So I have the unicorn one, and we throw our dirty clothes in there so that they're not all like just everywhere. Anyway, that is what's going on. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys for a second. Hello. We are using all of the filters tonight, and I am so shiny and wet and just gross. Oh my God. Okay. So I'll tell you a little bit about my day. So yesterday was awesome. We had so much fun till I realized I forgot my blood checker. So I'm a type 2 diabetic, so I take insulin at night, but I haven't taken insulin at night in like literally 2 months at least. And so I just don't think about it as much. I do check my sugars every night, but I don't take insulin. But I wanted to take insulin down here because obviously just in case, and my food is going to be completely different. So I'm going to eat more breads and things like that, like, because I'm not really tracking, right? So I wanted to make sure that I had all of that stuff. So I was going through my stuff, and I completely forgot my blood checker. So we called around frantically, and Shoppers was open, thank goodness. And they let me buy the strips. The strips are $90. They don't usually cost me that much. They cost me $10, but because I didn't have the information. So yeah, so there we go. There's the light on. So you can see I did just wash my face and everything too. So anyways, we went there, thank goodness, and I got all that stuff, so we were all good. And my sugars were 11 last night, so they really weren't that high, which I was really excited about and happy. So this morning, so last night we went to bed, and I got 2.5 hours of sleep. Got up, got showered, got ready. We went to the airport for 3 a.m. there was a lineup at Tim Hortons. Me and Kelly waited in the lineup for an hour just to get a breakfast sandwich and like egg bites and stuff like that for everyone. Then we got on the plane. The plane was great. Landing was super crazy. It like came down and we were like waiting for the tires to hit, and then it was like bam, and everyone was like, ah. Anyway, we landed and it was fine. But so we did that. Then we got to the resort, and we got here early, and check-in's not till 3, but a lot of times they'll have the rooms ready for you because they know you're coming early. They did not. So they're like, okay, well, you guys can just like relax a little bit and around, and then it'll be ready like by like 1. I know. It wasn't ready till like 4, and we were exhausted. We went and ate at the buffet. I had like a little piece of pizza. I had some rice. I had some carrots. The carrots were delicious. I had a little piece of chicken breast. I had a roll, like just kind of like random stuff. And they had they have chicken burgers. So they had this chicken burger, and so I got the chicken burger just like by itself. And oh my gosh, it tastes like the Burger King chicken burger. I was like, ooh, this looks delicious. Anyways, and we were all just kind of like, that really actually does taste like a Burger King chicken burger. So yeah, whatever. And then so we like sat there for a bit, had some pop, and then we went out and finally we got to our room, and we were so exhausted. My ankles are swollen because I have been with my feet down or walking for over 30 hours. So then we came back to the room, like I said, organized it all like I showed you guys, put everything away, hung our clothes, just like unpacked because we're here for 2 weeks. So we like to like totally unpack. And yeah, we went to that jumbo place. We did try to buy time. Like we went to the jumbo place. It was $5 each to go. And, we didn't really buy anything. We bought some Coke Zero, for the room because we won't have it for like a couple days because just till we get started. Then we came back. I fell asleep, woke up, looked like crap. Seriously, like I feel so dirty and gross. I hate travel day. Hate it. So we went to the buffet. The buffet tonight was Dominican night. So I had another little piece of pizza. I had a little piece of steak, and the steak was delicious. Like it was like only like this big. Like it was very small. There was only one little piece left. So I had that. And then I had a little bit of chicken breast too. I had some potatoes. So where was I at? So we ate, and it was just like, anyways, they had this strawberry ice cream. Mary got 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream, and she gave me, they had a chocolate fountain there too with like pineapple, grapes, which I thought was funny. Grapes, I've never seen grapes at a chocolate fountain before. But anyways, I didn't get any of it. I didn't go for dessert, but I said to Mary, if there's anything good, get me something. So she got a couple scoops of ice cream, and I tried a bite of the strawberry ice cream, like one bite, and it was the best strawberry ice cream I think I've ever had. It was so good. I think it's like real strawberry ice cream. Like it was good. Anyways, we left there. Then we went over to the theater, and we just kind of like watched the pre-show. And then it was Dominican night, and I've seen so many Dominican night shows that they're not the same. It's obviously different music, different dancers, all that stuff, but I have seen them so many times. I was like, I'm falling asleep here, guys. Can I have the room key? I'm going back to the room. So I came back to the room, washed my face, put on some pajamas, called my husband, we FaceTime. So I came back to the room, washed my face, and put my pajamas on because I am just exhausted. Ugh. Still haven't really gone to the bathroom yet either, so I'm feeling very bloated and just, but I'm sure once I eat here for a couple days, it'll be like all good. So not big plans for tomorrow. We're just so exhausted right now. We're just going to sleep. I'm about to go, so they're trying to be like eco-friendly here. So they don't give you bottles of water in the room anymore. What they do is they give you these filtered water bottles. They give you these water bottles, these glass water bottles, and you take them. There's like a water station with ice and filtered water, and they look amazing, like super cool. We knew about it before we came, so we brought our own bottles of water, like things of water. So like I brought my reduced bottle so that I can fill that with ice and water and have that all the time. And so we can have water in the room because we have to use filtered water to brush your teeth too. So we're gonna get up tomorrow, probably go to the pool in the morning. Like I'm thinking I want to get up at like a decent time. I'm gonna shower in the morning, so I'm gonna shower, get ready for the day. We're gonna go to breakfast, go to the pool. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys any of the buffets today or anything at all, really. It was just such a whirlwind. And then when I was at the buffet, I was so cranky because I did not want to, I didn't even want to leave the room tonight. I was just so tired. I was like, I will eat sun chips Like that's how I feel. Sun chips and protein bars. So anyway, the day is over, and I'm so happy that this day is almost over because I am so tired and I am so excited to go swimming tomorrow. It was also pretty crappy out today too. It was kind of cloudy and rainy. So hopefully it's a beautiful day tomorrow. So, but I'm going to make it a beautiful day anyways, and I will enjoy the pool, the beach, all that stuff. And I will take you guys along with me. So yeah, tomorrow I'll start sharing the food and all that stuff. Oh, look at me. So yeah, tomorrow I'll start sharing all the food and all that fun stuff. So I hope you all had an absolutely fabulous Friday. I hope your weekend is amazing, and I hope you're enjoying my stories. So I will, like I said, I'll take you guys along for everything, but right now I'm going to climb into bed. I'm going to see what's on this Spanish TV. Right now it's some like kids show in Spanish, so but I have to see. I'm going to check the channels. I haven't looked at anything yet. And I'm also going to have some Coca-Cola Light and a big glass of water. So good night, guys. Sweet dreams, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow I'll start sharing the food and all that stuff. Oh, look at me. So yeah, tomorrow I'll start sharing all the food and all that fun stuff. So I hope you all had an absolutely fabulous Friday. I hope your weekend is amazing, and I hope you're enjoying my stories. So I will, like I said, I'll take you guys along for everything, but right now I'm going to climb into bed. I'm going to see what's on this Spanish TV. Right now it's some like kids show in Spanish, so but I have to see. I'm going to check the channels. I haven't looked at anything yet. And I'm also going to have some Coca-Cola Light and a big glass of water. So good night, guys. Sweet dreams, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.